Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yesterday, last week, we learned about the past tense pronouns and the kinds of the pronouns. And today, inshallah, we will do the exercise of the lesson. In this book, lesson number 10 and lesson number 13. They are the more important lesson in the book. So please focus on these lessons. And this is our exercise, question number 1. We have to give the answer according to the lesson. What we have learned in the lesson, we have to give the answer. Masmuka, what is your name? Min aina anta, where are you from? So we have to give the answer according to the lesson. Min masmuka, what is your name? You can see in the lesson. Min aina anta. Min aina anta, where are you from? Where are you from? Ana minal Yabani. Ana minal Yabani. I am from Japan. Ma lugatuka. Ma lugatuka. What is your language? Okay. Lugatil urdiyatu. Lugatil urdiyatu. My language is Urdu. Aina ummuka. Aina ummuka. Where is your mother? So, ummi. You can see in the lesson of this answer. Indaka darrajatun. Indaka darrajatun. Aina abuka, aina ummuka, alaka akhun. Alaka akhun. Do you have brothers? Do you have brothers? So what is the answer according to the lesson? Okay, wait, I check the book, then I give you the answer. Okay. If question number 1 is Masmuka, what is your name? Ismi Yasirun. Ismi Yasirun. My name is Yasir. Min aina anta. Ana minal Yabani. Ma lugatuka. Luga til urdiyatu. Aina abuka. Where is your father? Abhi min America. My father is in America. Aina ummuka. Ummi aidan in America. Alaka akhun, do you have brothers? Do you have brothers? Naam li akhun wahidun. Yes, I have one brother. Alaka ukhtun, do you have sisters? La Naam li ukhtun wahidun. Naam li ukhtun wahidun. Yes, I have a sister. Indaka sayaratun. Do you have a car? La ma indi sayaratun. Ma we use for the past tense to negate. La ma indi sayaratun. I don't have a car. Indaka darrajatun. Do you have a bicycle? Do you have a bicycle? Naam indi darrajatun. Yes, I have a bicycle. Indaka kalamun. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Naam indi kalamun. Yes, I have a pen. Indaka daftarun. Do you have a notebook? Okay. La ma indi daftarun. No, I don't have a notebook. Abuka tajirun. Is your father a trader? La huwa muhandisun. No, he is an engineer. Min aina Muhammadun. Min aina Muhammadun. From where is Muhammad? From where is Muhammad? Huwa minal Hindi. Huwa minal Hindi. He is from India. So from 13 to 22, we have to give answer according to the lesson. And from 1 to 12, we can answer our own. What we have, we can answer from 1 to 12. From 13 to 22, we have to give answer according to the book. Min aina Muhammadun huwa min al Hindi. He is from India. Ma lughatuhu. Ma lughatuhu. Lughatuhul urdiyatu. Lughatuhul urdiyatu. His language is Urdu. Aina abuhu. Where is his father? Aina abuhu. Where is his father? Abuhu fil Kuwaiti. Abuhu fil Kuwaiti. His father is in Kuwait. Aina ummuhu. Where is his mother? Ummuhu aidan fil Kuwaiti. Ummuhu aidan fil Kuwaiti. His mother is also in Kuwait. Min aina Hamzatu. From where is Hamza? Huwa minal Yabani. He is from Japan. Huwa minal Japani. He is from Japan. Ma lughatuhu. What is his language? What is his language? Lughatuhul Yabaniyatu. His language is Japanese. Aina abuhu. Where is his father? Abuhu fil Yabani. His father is in Japan. Aina Zainabu. Where is Zainab? Okay. Hiya fil Iraqi. Hiya fil Iraqi. She is in Iraq. Aina Zawjuha. Where is his husband? Where is her husband? Where is her husband? Zawjuha. अच्छा जी. Azwajuha mudarrisun. Okay. Huwa aidan fil Iraqi. Aina zawjuha. Huwa aidan fil Iraqi. Huwa aidan fil Iraqi. Azawjuha mudarrisun. Is her husband is a teacher. La zawjuha mudarrisun. La. No. Zawjuha muhandisun. Her husband is an engineer. Muhandisun. And this is we have to fill in the blanks. Who of you will do this one? We have to fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronoun. We have learned the pronouns and now we have to use here the pronouns. Who of you will do this one and will use the proper pronoun here? Please raise hand if any one of you want to do this one. Shomaila. Please open your mic.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ustazu.
Alaikum salam.
Number 1, Hazihil bintu talibatu. This daughter is a student.
Hazihil bintu talibatun.
Yes, sir. Hazihil bintu talibatun. This daughter is a student. Ismuha Zainabu. Her
This girl-
name is Zainab.
This girl is a student.
Yes, sir. This girl is a student. Ismuha Zainabu. Her name is Zainab. Muhammadu.
Okay, good. Ismuha Zainabu. We will use here the pronoun ha. Ismuha Zainabu. Her name is Zainab. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Number 2, Muhammadu Tabibun. Muhammad is,
Muhammadun Tabibun.
yes, sir. Muhammadun Tabibun. Muhammad is a doctor. Wabnuhu Muhandisun. His son is an engineer.
And his son is an engineer. Muhammadun Tabibun. Muhammad is a doctor. Wabnuhu Muhandisun. And his son is an engineer. Wabnuhu. Who his.
Yes.
Okay, again next.
Yes, sir. Hazar Rajulu Tajirun Kabirun. This man is a big merchant. Ismuhu Abdullahi. His name is Abdullah.
Okay, again, please.
Yes, sir. Hazar Rajulu Tajirun Kabirun. This man is,
Tajirun Kabirun.
yes, sir. Tajirun Kabirun. This man is a big merchant. Ismuhu Abdullahi. Her name is, his name is Abdullah.
Okay, good. Ismuhu Abdullahu. His name is Abdullah.
Yes, sir. Number 4, Aminatu fil ghurfati. Amina is in the room, and Ummuha fil matbahi, and her mother is in the kitchen.
In the picture, okay, good.
Yes, sir. Number 5, Aishatu tabibatun. Aisha is a doctor, and Ukhtuha mumarrizatun, and her sister is a patient, and her sister is a patient.
Aishatu Tabibatun. Aisha is a doctor. Wa ukhtuha mumarridatun. And his sister is a nurse. His sister
Yes, sir,
is
nurse.
a nurse. Mumarridatun,
Yes.
nurse.
Yes, sir. And her sister is a nurse. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Number
good.
6, Kharaja Muhammadun minal fasli. Muhammad went out from the class, and Kharaja ma'ahu zamilahu, and her class fellow also went out.
Yeah,
And yes, sir.
Kharaja ma'a Zamiluka, and his friend went out with him.
Yes, sir. And his,
Zamiluhu, his colleague, his classmate, went out with him.
yes, sir. His classmate went out with him. Yes, sir.
Now we have to use in Aindaka Kalamun. Do you have a pen? Naam in the Kalamun. Yes, I have a pen. We have to use the pronoun here. In the Kalamun, in the Kalamun, I have a pen. And the third one is Hati Khamsata As'ilatin wa Ajwibatin Kalmisal lil Ati. Okay. Form 5 questions and answer on the pattern of this example. We have to make you have to make the 5 question. Ma indaka, a indaka kalamun, a indaka baitun, a indaka sayaratun, a indaka daftarun, a indaka kitabun, a indaka sayaratun. So you have to make the 5 questions. A indaka kalamun, do you have a pen? La ma indi kalamun. I don't have a pen. We have to reply in negative. A indaka sayaratun. Do you have a car? La ma indi sayaratun. No, I don't have a car. So you have to follow this one and make the sentences. Baiti. Baitun is a noun. Baitun is a noun, and with the baitun, we will use the pronouns here. Baitun, a house. Baiti, my house. Baiti, my house. Baituhu, his house. Baituha, her house. Baituka, your house. So like this, we use the possessive pronoun here. When the possessive pronouns, they are attached with the noun. When the possessive pronouns, they attached with a noun, then they are mudaf ilay. Then they are mudaf ilay. And if they are attached with the preposition, then they are majroor. When they are attached with the harf jar, or when they are attached with the preposition, then they are majroor. So this one you have to complete. Kalamun, hada kalami, hada kalamuka, hada kalamuhu, hada kalamuha. This is my pen. This is your pen. Hada kalamuka, this is your pen. Hada kalamuhu, this is his pen. Hada kalamuha, this is her pen. So in the lesson we are learning first person ya mutakallam, kalami, kalamuka, kalamuhu, and kalamuha. We are learning 4 pronouns here. Ye, ka, hu, and ha. And by following the above example, we have to complete this one with kitabun. Kitabun, kitabi, kitabuka, kitabuhu, kitabuha. Sarirun, sariri, sariruka, saririhu, sariruhu, sariruhu, sariruha. So like this, we have to complete all these nouns here. So who of you will do this one? Okay, Obsipian.
Kitabun, hasa, kitabi, hasa, kitabika,
Kitabuka.
hasa, kitabuka, hasa, kitabuhu,
Good.
hasa, kitabuha,
Good.
sarirun, the bed, hasa, sariri, this is a bed, hasa,
This is my bed. Hada sariri, this is my bed.
hasa,
Hada kalami, this is my pen. Hada kalamuka, this is your pen. Hada kalamuhu, this is his pen. Hada kalamuha, this is her pen. So same the meaning, sarirun, hada sariri, this is my bed. Okay, continue.
hasa, sariri, this is my bed. Hasa, sariruka, this is your bed. Hasa, sarirukhu, this is his bed.
Good.
Hasa, sariruha, this is her bed.
Good.
Ismun, name. Hasa is me, my name.
This is my name. Hada is me. This is my name.
Hasa is me. This is my name. Hasa is Muka. This is your name.
Good.
Hasa ismuhu. It is his name. Hasa ismuha. This is her name.
Okay, good.
Mindirun, handkerchief. Hasa Mindilu, Mindili. My handkerchief.
This is
Hasa.
my handkerchief.
This is my handkerchief. Hasa Mindiluka. This is your handkerchief. Hasa Midiluhu. This is his handkerchief. Hasa Mindiluha. This is her handkerchief.
Good.
Ibnun, son. Hasa Ibnu, Ibbi.
Haza ibni. Hazabni. Actually, hazabni. This is my son.
Hasabni. This is my son. Ha. Ibnuka. This is
Hazabnuka. Hazabnuka.
okay. Hasabnuka. This is your son. Hasabnuhu. This is his son. Hasabnuha. This is her son.
Her son. Good.
Sariratun. Ka.
Sayaratun.
Sayaratun. Ka. Hasa. Sayarati. This is my son. My car. Hasa Sariratuka. This is your
Sayaratuka.
okay. Hasa Sayaratuka. This is your car. Hasa Sayaratuhu. This is his car. Hasa Sayaratuha. This is her car. Miftahun key. Hasa Miftah key. This is my key. Hasa Miftah.
Miftahi. Good. Haza Miftahi. This is my key. Very good.
Hasa Miftahuka. This is your key. Hasa Miftahuhu. This is his key. Hasa Miftahuha. This is her key.
Okay, good. Yadun. Okay. Yadun. Okay. Yadun. Yadi. My hand. Yadi. Hazihi yadi. Hazihi yadi. Okay. This is my hand. Hazihi yaduka. This is your hand. Hazihi yaduka. Yadun is a feminine noun. Yadun is a feminine noun. So we will use here feminine demonstrative pronoun. Hazihi. Hazihi yaduka. Hazihi yaduhu. Hazihi yaduha. And same here. Sayaratun. Sayaratun is a feminine noun here. We will use hazihi sayarati. This is my car. So for sayaratun, we will use hazihi. And next we have to read the next one. Li, I have. Li, I have. Laka, you have. Lahu, he has. Laha, she has. Again, li, I have. Laka, you have. Lahu, he has. Laha, she has. So these are Okay. Yes, for car is hazihi. For sayaratun or for yadun, hazihi. So this we have to do this one. Who will read this one? Any of you want to read this one? Read and translate. Shamsuddin.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Li, I have. Laka, you have. Lahu, he has. Laha, she has. Number 1. Li huktu wahidatun. I have a sister.
Ukhtun.
Li uktun wahidatun. I have a sister. Alaka akhun. Do you have a brother? La, moli akhun. I don't have a brother.
No, I don't have a brother.
No, I don't have a brother now. Ukti laha tiflun sagirun. My sister has a small baby.
Small baby, good.
Zamili lahu akhun wa uktun. My classmate has a brother and a sister.
Zamili lahu akhun wahidun. My classmate have a brother and a sister. Okay, good. Now we go the next. The next question, there is a use of ma'a. Okay. And then in the kitabun, for the books, for the things we use in the, for the books we say in the, and for the relationship we use li. For the relationship we use li. We say li. Ma'a mean with. Note that it occurs as mudaf. Ma'a is mudaf. So the noun following ma'a will be mudaf ilay. Kharaja Hamidun ma'a Khalidin. Hamid went out with Khalid. Hamid went out with Khalid. So ma'a is adverb here, and adverbs are mudaf. So noun following adverb will be mudaf ilay, and mudaf ilay is majroor. Ma'a Khalidin, with Khalid. Hamid went out with Khalid. Zahabut tabibu ma'al muhandisi. Zahabut tabibu, doctor went with engineer. Doctor went with engineer. The doctor went with the engineer. Zahabat tabibu ma'al muhandisi. The doctor went with engineer. Jalasal mudarrisu ma'al mudiri. Jalasal mudarrisu ma'al mudiri. The teacher sat with the principal. The teacher sat with the principal. Man ma'aka ya Aliyu. Who is with you, O Ali? Man ma'aka ya Aliyu. Who is with you, O Ali? Ma'i zamili, with me. Ma'i, with me. Zamili, my friend, my colleague, my classmate. Ma'i zamili, with me is my classmate. Aminatu ma'aha zawjuha. Amina ma'aha zawjuha, with her is her husband. Her husband is with her. Ma'a zawjuha, her husband is with her. Kharaja abi minal baiti. Kharaja abi, my father went out. Minal baiti, from the house. My father went out from the house. Man kharaja ma'ahu, who went out with him. Ma'ahu, with him. Who went out with him. Kharaja ma'ahu ammi. Kharaja ma'ahu, with him went out ammi, my uncle. And this one, baitun, baituka, your house. Baituhu, his house. Baituha, her house. Baiti, my house. Abun, abuka. We have learned two special nouns. Two special nouns, abun and akhun, when they are mudaf. When they will be mudaf, they will take an extra vowel here. Only when they are mudaf. Otherwise, they don't take extra vowel. Only when they will be mudaf, they will take extra vowel. Abun, abuka. We will say it. Abuka. Abuhu. Abuka, his, your father. Abuka, your father. Abuhu, his father. Abuha, her father. For first person mutakallim, we don't add extra vowel. Abi, it will be abi. Except the first person mutakallim, we use vowel for other pronouns. Same with the akhu. Akhuka, your brother. Akhuhu, his brother. Akhuha, her brother. Akhi, my brother. And here, abi wa ummi fil baiti. Abi wa ummi fil baiti. Here you see here in Abu, we don't add extra vowel because this is first person. This is first person mutkallam. Abi wa ummi fil baiti. My father and my mother are in home. Aina abuka ya Hamidu. Oh Hamid, where is your father? Abuka, we added here an extra vowel. Abuka. Aina abuka ya Hamidu. Oh Hamid, where is your father? Zahaba ila suki. He went to the market. Akhuka tabibun. Here with akhu, we added an extra vowel. Akhuka tabibun. Is your father or is your brother a doctor? Is your brother a doctor? La, no. Huwa mudarrisun. He is a teacher. Zainabu fil Riyadi. Zainab is in Riyadh. Zainab is in Riyadh. Wa akhuha. Akhuha, her brother. And her brother fit Taifi. And her brother is in Taif. Wa abuha fil Madina til Munawwarati. And his father is at Medina Munawwara. So see, abuha, akhuha. Hazat talibu, the students, abuhu wazirun. This student's father is a minister. Abuhu, his father. Wazirun, a minister. This student's his father is a minister. وأخوه تاجر كبير. وأخوه تاجر كبير, and his brother. أخوه, his brother, and his brother is a big merchant. ذهب أخي إلى المدرسة. So for the first person mutakallim, we don't add a extra vowel. For the first person mutakallim, we don't use an extra vowel. Zahaba akhi. My brother went out. My father went ila madrasati to school. Wa zahaba abi ila jamiati, and my father went to the university. So these are the pronouns. These are the nouns. The nouns on the pattern of this, if there is a this round ta at the end of the masculine names, we will not add a tanween. These are the masculine nouns, but because there is a this ta at the end, so we will only read one dhamma. Hamzatu, Talhatu, Usamatu,